I don't really like listening to my own voice.
Does anyone else hate the sound of their own voice? Let me share with you why. How you sound to you is not how you sound to others. Because when I open my mouth and I speak, my voice is creating vibrations through the air that then reach the ears of others. Whereas when you hear yourself through the vibrations of your bones. You're hearing vibrations through a denser object. The sound sounds deeper. So when you hear yourself through a recording, you are now hearing your voice through airwaves, which is different. It's like the way you look in the mirror. That's not how you look. Everyone sees you the other way around. Let's learn to embrace that. That is you. You're a unique individual with a unique instrument, with unique experiences, with unique stories and unique value. Be you, do you.